Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, chat. How you doing, chat? Good morning, good morning. Such a beautiful day today. Let's see if I can fix this for you guys. Then this can be seen. Beautiful, the price. I want to say time frame. I want to put the time frame in as well, so that you can see my time frame, or just put the price only, and then you guys have the price. There we go. Good morning, traders. Good morning. Happy morning, all the traders out here that made it to the live stream this morning. I'm happy and grateful to have every one of you guys on the stream this morning. It's going to be a fruitful one, traders. Let me just delete all these drawings and then take this away. Here we go. Okay. Just drop a W in the chat if you guys can all hear me. And again, guys, welcome back to Margin Call live stream. I'm your host, Shakil Samai. And today is going to be a fantastic live stream. That's one thing I can promise you guys. Today is going to be a great stream. I'll tell you that one thing. W's, there we go. Thank you. Good morning, David in the chat. Good morning, bro. Dirk, good morning. What's up? I hope you guys doing well. Shaq, such a nice guy, this one. I thought you were going to say, such a nice guy on the app. But good morning, Brandon, as well. Good morning to you. What's up on this happy Monday? Honestly speaking, it's a beautiful Monday. You know, this morning I was listening to something very, very phenomenal. What I was listening to, this guy was saying that, you know, in life that you can have this burning desire, you can have this drive and motivation within yourself, but it's going to die off eventually. And he said it's crazy to say this, but your motivation in life dies off as you get older. So what really drives you is to have purpose, and purpose is the one thing that doesn't come just within yourself, but actually finding it in something external. This is so crazy to say that you need to find purpose in something else, external, something without you, not within yourself. And I was trying to understand this. What does this mean, traders? Before I start on the market, you know, we start with psychology, we're gonna get into education, and we get into trading. And I was thinking to myself, and this I'm listening and driving. As I'm driving, I'm listening to this as he's speaking. And the guy says that you need your motivation in life dies off as you get older. And I look at myself and I'm thinking, that is kind of true. Like that is somehow truth. Like honestly, guys, do you remember yourself at 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21? If you're in that age now, right now, 21, 22, 23, you have such a lot of energy that you just want to go for anything and everything that looks like it's going to be successful. And then as you get to past the age 25, 26, 27, that motivation comes a little bit downer. And you will see that a person is 30 years old, he doesn't have that high energy as a 21-year-old. But it doesn't mean that he's not positive. It's just that, listen to this. He has found a purpose in something bigger than him that's external, that wakes him up to actually push harder than a 21-year-old. But not just push harder, maybe not even harder, but more focused than the 21-year-old. So the thing is that a lot of people do is they focus on so many things and never become the expert in that thing that they focus in. They have 10 different businesses they're focusing on, and in the 10 different businesses they're focusing on, they're not really laser focused to master it. So they just get 2% from that, 2% from that, 2% because they put in 1% in every other venture they're in. But the 30-year-old, 40-year-old person, he has so many life experience that he knows that he has to withhold as much energy, to have as much focus in one single thing to get the 100% return back, or even 70% return back. You see, so what happened is the guy said, as we get older, our inspiration, motivation dies off, right? Or this motivation dies off. But what happened is that once you have something you're obsessed with, for example, right now, I'm obsessed with trading. Like I'm obsessed with actually perfecting gold. I'm very obsessed with perfecting gold. Right now I'm on 30-minute time frame right now. And with that being said, because I'm so obsessed with that, it's an external thing I'm obsessed with. It gives me, it's like, purpose to, like, I want to perfect this thing. So the more you're obsessed with something external that you want to perfect, it could be a business, it could be a skill, it could be dancing it could just be perfecting to master spinning cars, it could be perfecting e-commerce, it could be perfecting YouTube, it could be perfecting drawing, but it's an external thing that you obsess with. You understand? And when you become obsessed with this thing, external, motivation is not required to wake up. Motivation is required to wake up because you have a bigger purpose. This purpose is so bigger than you, it burns you that you want to wake up. It burns deep inside of you because you want to perfect it. You understand? It's that same thing that you can sit for 7-8 hours on without feeling tired. And when you get up, your back is sore. That there is something that you need to have trading. If you want to become a great trader, you need to focus and go laser focused no matter what age you're in. So I'm listening to this guy, I'm like, it doesn't have to be when you're 30. It doesn't have to be when you're 40. And you ask yourself, why does a lot of traders lose it when they're young? And it's nothing wrong with it. I mean, honestly, I've come from the craziest highs to the craziest lows in my life. We're going to get to the chart right now, traders. Just get the likes up. If I can get the likes up, it would be amazing. I see we're only 14 likes right now and there's 165 people on the stream. Let's come on, traders. Let's do it. I don't have to ask you guys, I believe that you guys know already that it's nice. If you can just like the stream, amazing. It unlocks me to actually analyze the market. You know what I mean? So with that being said, you don't have to wait till that age. And I've seen a lot of young traders go through this. I was one of it. Like, you should learn from me, actually. You should learn not just from my great things that I did, but all the bad things I did as well. That will give you a great scope to understand what not to do it better than me. You know what I mean? I started trading when I was 18 years old, traders. 18 years old. 27 years old. So think about this. 18 to 27. There's so many years of experience in this. And remember, I'm doing it full time for years. Years upon years. It's a lot of years to be doing something full time and pay, your things, your life, your bills, take care of your family with this. It's a lot. So let me explain to you something. When I was young, I had this burning desire, right? Motivation, not burning desire, motivation to make this succeed. And as I go through these years, I make so much success. I made so much success, traders. A lot. I'm talking about a lot. A lot. If you're talking about trading profits alone, it's just phenomenal to look back at it. And I always look back and I see, okay, what did I do right that got me there, and what did I do wrong that brought me down? And that's a peak and valley in life, right? You're going to have peaks in your business and personal life. There's going to be peaks. There's going to be peaks and valleys. There's going to be peaks and valleys all the time in life. Do you understand? Whether you like it or not. Whether you feel like you don't want to be part of it, or whether you think like it's not a need in your life right now, I promise you, my traders, one thing is to have the wisdom enough to listen and take in the hidden gems that I'm sharing with you. And then from this, you can take yourself higher in life. And as I sat down and I'm thinking back on my life, okay, what did I do in this past years that took me very high? Was that I was laser focused before my time. I didn't do YouTube and this and that. Once I was consistently profitable, as little I am, I started documenting my journey. But I was so laser focused. I didn't care about building another business external. I didn't care about, let me go buy this franchise or that. No, all I was focused on is literally just so focused on making sure that I'm consistently disciplined, consistently focused on my trading plan, consistently focused on me being the best version of myself as a trader. And what does it look like? Waking up on the same time every day, making sure I read books to feed my mind with the right psychology, so I can, because we assume that we know everything. And I'm sure there's youngsters on here who think, no, I don't need to listen to this. And an older person who's so hard-headed and really hardwired with his life he's lived for 40 years, he can't really take all this information in, so he blocks it off. But if you can just listen to what I'm sharing with you guys and open your mind to this, you'll start literally hearing or learning something phenomenal. Is that if you can just start being consistently focused, laser focused in trading, it'll start taking off. Regardless, I promise you, it'll start taking off. And it's the perspective you and the mindset you go in within trading. You see, if you really start a project and you really believe within the project you failed, like you really know that, damn, this will be a hard project. Trading is hard. I promise you, trading will be hard. It's the mindset you went in with in trading. It's a set of perspective you went in with trading. The time when I came in trading, I didn't believe it was hard. And this is what I'm sharing with you guys. I just felt like, wow, this is a great way to make money. And I believe I can make money fast. And it came very fast. It's the mindset I went with. I believe it was fast money, and I believe it's easy, and it just came that way. It's the universe. It gives you what you want. And as the things went on, I started increasing the appetite for risk so much. Already I was a high risk trader. My appetite for risk increased so much too fast because the money came very fast. I could see easy 50, 60, 100,000 easily in a day. And at that young age, your respect towards money is no longer there. And what happens there? The consistent, see that thing that got me there? The consistent discipline on this, being consistent on the plan, discipline, being consistent. I just consistently wake up every single day at the same time. Being consistent goes out the window because why? Oh, I just have to trade an hour for New York, so I don't have to wake up at 5 o'clock. I don't have to do a meditation anymore. I don't have to write down my plans and write down my goals for the day. Because, I know how to trade right now, right? So let me just trade the New York session. I can sleep till late, wake up, and then you see that happens. That motivation, that inspiration, that is dying off. Because why? The money gets you ahead. So these are things that happened to me. And then as I went very high, so great in trading, bro. Like I'm talking about, I became very arrogant trader. It's like you see right now, I'm very, very humble. I believe I should be humble. I believe, I trust that I give it same energy out there because a man, masculine. Yeah, your masculine energy doesn't have to come off as arrogant, ego-orientated. It has to just come, it can be humble, but knowing your place. You see, trading made me lose that as I was going. So you 23, 24 years old, 23 years old, 22, 23 years old, you're seeing about 300,000-400,000 a month, or $500,000 a month coming into your bank account. What do you think happens? And remember, you don't come from a lot of money, so you don't know money. That's the crazy part. Is a lot of traders come to trading wanting to make money. Understand that most of us coming here are not from old money. I'm being serious, traders. This is very, very important to listen. A lot of us here are coming from, working class moms and fathers and even some of us are even tougher circumstances. So we're not coming from old money that we know money. So when you make money from trading, it feels so easy and fast. And it's like, wow, I have this damn bank and ATM in my hand. So the respect towards money goes out the window. And what you do is you go in high risk, you splurge, thinking your value will never come. Remember this, that every successful individual in the entire world, this is all I'm going to say to you guys, and I'm off here, I'm going to start analyzing. Every successful individual in the entire world goes through a valley in life, personal and business, whether you like it or not. And I promise you, you went through it. It could have been a simple thing as failing a test in school. It could have actually failing your learners, your license. It could be actually just a simple thing. That's a valley. That's a down, like a drawdown in your life. You could be losing money. You could have failed the challenge. That is a valley in your life. A peak could have been passed in the test, passed the evaluation, making a profit. That is the peak in your life. So as a trader or as just an individual, every person is going to go peak and valley in their life, no matter what. So whether you accept it or not, this is the reality. So remember this, traders, that valleys are going to come. It's just all determined on how you use the resources on your peak. The quicker you'll go to your valley. And how you get out of your valley is all determined how you use the hidden gems, the hidden lessons in this downtime, in the failures in your life, in the time when nothing seems like it's working. There's hidden gems, hidden value, hidden lessons there that takes you quicker to the peak. So how soon you change your perspective in your peaks, in your valleys, will determine how long you stay in those areas or times in your life, the difficulties or the great times in your life. Okay, so that's all I want to share with you guys. That I hope that you guys learned something from that lesson I wanted to share with you guys there. Again, I know all of us are just here for money, and that's the mindset I tried to change within you guys. Is that money is just a byproduct. It's a byproduct of input. But if we come in trading, like I know this live stream is about making money on the stream, giving a trade out. But I promise you guys, if I'm not here, Marcelin is not here, Safwan is not here, then what? Have you really learned something to be able to sustain yourself in the time when you're going through difficulty? Or are you just a dependent? Remember that money is just a byproduct of input. So if you can put the right inputs in trading, inputs in business, you get the right output that as you expected. So remember, the money cannot be the main focus. It's just a byproduct of input and actions. It's a cause and effect. The causes you put out on your business, the causes you put out in your trading, the cause you put out in any venture that produces money, the byproduct will be money. So the same thing in trading. If I can make it very simple for you guys, when I put risk on, there's a possibility of making money. So is it really the focus? Is it really the main focus? Is really the main focus just the profit? No. It's the process of me being a great trader. The process of me actually being a great trader, me performing as a good trader, that is the process you must focus on. You must be excited for. You must be excited to say, you know what? I want to build the best trading plan. I want to build the best journal possible to track my data and to better my performance. Because it's a data game. So it's like, if I can focus on the process, my product, the byproduct, the outcome will be money. But all of us are focused on the best profit, the best take profit. I want to be the best strategy only. You understand what I'm saying? That is not the only process. The process of you becoming a better version of yourself, the version of you that you desire, the person you know you can become. So get out the comfort zone. That's where growth is. Get out the comfort zone. That's all you have to do. Get out the comfort zone and growth will come. Okay, guys, that's what I'll give for you guys. It's a Monday. I want to share that motivation, inspiration with you guys and broaden your perspective in life, that hopefully you take up some value and hidden gems out of this, and it'll take you to your next peak. You could be peaking right now, but you could also learn from how I got from a peak to a valley and how I took my valley to a peak. If you had to know just a year ago, 2 years ago, what I was going through. Remember the YouTube video? If you guys really been following me, the YouTube videos, bro, I came from 300, 500,000 a month as a young kid. 300 to 500,000 a young kid. Do you remember that? At a young kid. And having to move right back to my mom's house. And I don't have any shame in that, because I have pride that I know that every successful individual had to go through a valley in their life. That's the wisdom to have. No shame. A person who down talks upon another person's downfall has no maturity and wisdom within him. That's why his downfall will be made by his own actions. But if you can focus on, you know what, my valley has hidden gems, hidden lessons, I can go high in life. So if you remember, just literally a year and something ago, I had to move back to my mom. That was a value in my time, and I recorded a YouTube upon this, telling everyone, watch how things gonna happen. And things turned around. Crazy. Back to six figures. How is it possible? It's the attitude towards life, the attitude towards business, the perspective. Okay, so with that being said, this is trading. This, what I'm sharing with you, is trading. If you don't like it, get off. It's not the place. I'm trying to share with you guys here something that's going to take you above just a simple strategy, an entry. Because you won't able to even hold a damn entry because you don't have the psychology to hold a trade. You don't have the wisdom to be able to talk yourself through drawdown. That's why you fail. So when I'm sharing trading psychology, be open to take notes down to take yourself high in life. I'm telling you guys, promise you, you want to become more in order to have more. You can't be doing the same thing every day and expecting change in life. Let's get to the trading. Okay? That's all I want to share with you guys. The brother preach Jah wisdom. Hey, my Jamaican guy's back in the house. My Jamaican is back in the house. Love the motivation. Much love. Shack attack. I'm looking at. I think you're allowed to have a bit of arrogance when you're really good at something. Yes, you can have I'd say you can have a bit of arrogance. Sure. I would say confidence is the right word to say that. The confidence and that proudness within your heart and in your body, the proudness, and that will come, the confidence will come off, not as arrogance, because arrogance is it's dirty, it's ugly. No one wants to be around a person that's arrogant. But a person that's confident, humble, to know his place, that there is actually where we're trading. That's where a person gets a lot of respect. Yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Oh, shame. The person here doesn't. What are some psychology books you read? For trading psychology book that I read. Train in the Zone for trading psychology. Very good book. Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself. That is by Dr. Joey Dispenza. Very great book as well. Thirdly, I will give you another psychology book. I would say, Don't Be Rude, My Brother. Yeah, tell him. I don't know. I'm not rude now. I don't like to be rude. I'm a good person. I just like to put people in their place at times. Like, they need to know where I'm in my valley and I'll get back. Thanks, bro. There we go. So someone, it says, stop the things, but someone else needs that. Just a reminder. So again, guys, that's 2 books so far. I would say Who Moved My Cheese? Great book. Peaks and Valleys. That 4 books there I'll give you guys are 4 exceptional books that I think if anyone reads it, your mindset will change completely. Like, first one, for trading, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Dr. Joey Dispenza, which is Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself. It's a thick, very, very thick book. So I wouldn't say start with that one. I'll say start with Who Moved My Cheese. Who Moved My Cheese is a very thin book, about 60, 80 or 100 pages. It's very, very thin. Just so. Big fonts, right? That's the third one. If you really want to lock in, guys, read it. Master yourself. Become a master, guys. Okay? Yeah, you guys think these guys work for you. If you want to trade, then go trade without them. You are here to learn from them. Speak with respect. Learn to be a decent human. Wow. That is someone with great wisdom there. Thank you so much, Nicholas. I appreciate it. We do this for free. And I want to share something with you guys to really help you guys. Because imagine, just think about it. I come on the chart every day, give you analysis. But your mind, I hold back the real value that took me high in life. You want to know, Shaquille, okay, how do you... Come on, show you something. I want to show you some, like, maybe money gives you value, right? Money makes you feel valuable. I'll show you some money, and maybe that will give you value in life, right? That how does a person go from nothing to something, and from something to nothing, and then come back up to something again? Then you get a mindset like that. Because it's a winning mindset, sure, but honestly, again, guys, I'd say become more, and that's how you're gonna succeed in life. That's how will you succeed.
Become the one within the one.
No, man. No. You know,
Become the one within the one.
not for the vibe, for the notes. They saying that. Yeah, they say not for the vibe, for the notes, bro. Yeah. So not every day is those days where we're gonna go crazy. Sometimes you have to become more serious about your psychology, become serious about your emotions, become serious about becoming more, and that's how you're gonna really take yourself life.
Is to make all my money last week.
So with that being said, let's get focused right now on the chart, guys. Can you focus? Can I focus again, please?
Yeah, well, you focus.
So give it entry. Give it sell. Give it entry.
Yeah, I ain't giving it.
You see? So that's what I'm talking about. Confidence, guys. If you confident, come. Give it entry. Give the entry. Confidence. You see, confidence when confidence.
Private entries.
No, confidence is showing able to come on a stream.
Private school.
You gotta see what I'm saying? It's all about confidence. When you have the confidence, you'll speak the volume itself. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like someone said, give it up, but won't able to come on stream. Give it. Don't have to be arrogant. You can just be confident enough, and the person who tries to portray the confidence on the stream, it'll show. But anyway, let's get back to it. First thing I'm gonna show you guys. Yo, bro, I'm so excited to show you guys my strategy. I've been building this on the weekend. Good morning, my bro, Pablo King, bro. Good morning. David says, it's free knowledge. Don't be ungrateful. Yes, bro. Guys, I'm so excited to show you my strategy. I'm trying to build. Wait for the retest of Asia lows. That could be something. Yeah. This could be definitely this year. This could be it. That's Asian lows, right? 100%. That's Asian range right here. I want to share with you guys something very, very nice. Can I get W's in the chat first? I want to share with you guys something. Yes, I have relocated to Jersey, 100%. I live in Joburg, bro. I'm in the city of gold. So I want to show you guys something, right? Humbly showing something. Humbly show something. It's February, right? February. What's today? March. Okay. Let me show you. This is what it is. Look at that. So, that being said, I'm humble, but don't get it twisted when I share something with you guys. Don't get it twisted. Money comes in, bro. And we focused. Trading pays. You didn't see it? I'm humble, but don't get it twisted. I don't want to be arrogant. That's why I don't want to show money like that. Because people think I'm arrogant, and arrogant is bad. But I want to show you guys, when I share knowledge, trust me, it's actual valuable things that you can learn from. So, it's fine if you didn't see it. God didn't want me to show you it. It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. Let's focus on this. I was sitting on the weekend. I'm thinking to myself, bro, there needs to be a way of me finding a trade next time, guys. Next time. There will be a way for me to find a trade in the market every 30 minutes. And so what I came up with was that every 30 minutes, I was able to find a trade. Every 30 minutes, I find a trade every 30 minutes, right? Did he just come in and rah? Every 30 minutes, how to find a trade. So I'm on a 30-minute time frame, traders, right? This is my strategy. This is a new strategy I'm building. So let me show you guys. I'm gonna be using the strategy. So this strategy, right? I'm building, and I'm gonna build it on live with you guys and find an entry with you guys. Okay. So the strategy I'm building, this is gold, guys, and it's on a 30-minute time frame, right? So the strategy I'm building to find, my grammar's not the greatest, but yeah, to find a trade every, oh my gosh, every 30 minutes, right? This is the idea. This is where it started, right? Are you guys with me? Thank you for the engagement. I really appreciate you guys are engaging. Lovely stuff, guys. You guys are awesome. Right? Are you guys with me? Just a yes, then you understand what I'm saying. So basically, I wanted to find a strategy because you understand what I'm saying? There we go. Oh, wait. Why am I doing this? You guys are with me? Perfect. Perfect stuff. Amazing stuff. Okay. So every 30 minutes, I want to be able to find a trade. Every 30 minutes. Right? So what I will do is on the 30-minute time frame, I will look at the main direction. Bam, 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 bam. It's selling, right? Bro, they've got a bubbles. He's all over her. No, I don't drink, my bro. I don't drink. Thank you. By the way, I am just charging my phone. By the way, I don't know what you're talking about. Zakir. So this is me sharing psychology. Now sharing a strategy that I'm building. Okay, guys. Watch out. This 30-minute time frame on gold. So first things first, what I do is on a 30-minute time frame, I will basically, bro, you're disturbing. It is. I'm on a live stream, bro. Yeah. So on a 30-minute time frame, I will basically just any candle. Say I want to trade the, like I want to trade the hoppers right now. I want to trade now, right now. Okay. I will take the previous candle over there. Does that make sense? So let's say I want to trade. Bros, they've got the bubbles all over. Oh, you mean they say new bubbles?
I'm a bubble.
They say nah, he had a bit of a special smoke.
No.
You see?
I'm completely wrong, bro.
They say you all over, bro. Okay.
Me, I'm no bubbles, no smoke. Buffett, so we don't do that.
So with that we said, let's just. This way in here.
What the hell, man?
You see, now you're lighting Alex. Alex likes this. He can't focus, guys. Alex can't focus for like 2 hours straight. Alex needs to be up and down. Guys, let's focus. Right? Couldn't see. Okay. So here we go. So you want to trade the hot pause 10 candle. Hopper's 10 candle. All you're going to do is go to the 10 o'clock candle. Box that off. You understand that? Box that off. Okay? Right? Guys, I can't focus.
What they say?
You say, shade them green, brother.
It's not green, bro. Don't do that.
Then is it Alex Inshak funniest do yo.
Bro, but I
do
don't
yo.
do that green stuff or any other stuff, bro. Me, I'm just high on life, gang. You do not see I'm fresh, bro.
I'm trying to share with him my, like, am I gonna get to an actual trade, bro? Like,
yeah, then they can want to blame them not having a trade, but now look what y'all doing. Look what y'all doing. We outside with it, you heard? Sha! They did it. Sha!
Okay, so here we go, right? Then I go to the 5-minute candle, 5 minutes. So this is on a 5-minute time frame. I look for the opposite candle, the first opposite candle. So you can see here we have the market breaking out. Great stuff, right? I can look at the first opposite candle. 1, 2 here. We have 1, 2. So either the first one coming outside the box or basically this one right here. Okay. Let's do that middle over here. Just focus with me. I know this is crazy. The 1 minute time frame. Hey, they can focus. I'm telling you. Just look. I think I'm gonna show an example, not on the live chart, the actual showing. I'm gonna show an example because my mind is bro. The weekend I just built something phenomenal, bro. I was sitting there and analyzing. I'm gonna show you guys. Check here. Let's go to a random day. Let's take New York. I use ranges, guys. It's simple. So here we go. There we go. Right, I'm gonna use this one. Say I want to trade 3:30. So I'm gonna take the 3 o'clock one, box that off. Right. This is 3 o'clock there, right? So now go to what date is this? The 20th of March. 5-minute time frame. There we go. Okay. The first candle that breaks out, there you see you get a candle first breaking out. Then the opposite candle. You want the opposite candle outside the range. So right there, the first one, which is that one there. Okay. So I'm gonna change the color for you guys. So keep in mind. Outside the range, the first one outside the range. I'm gonna change the color to that one. It's this one over here. Are you guys with me? So you have the box over that time frame of the 30-minute time frame. The first candle that breaks out, that the candles outside the range, opposite to that candle on the 30-minute time frame. So let's say 30-minute time frame is bearish. Do you guys see that? I boxed the high and the low of it. This one here. Right? Let me just do this for you guys. Just stick with me, guys. I don't want to confuse you guys this year. Does everyone understand what I'm doing? If you want to trade 10 o'clock, you're going to box the 9 candle. If you want to trade 10, you're going to box off the 30-minute candle. I mean the 10 o'clock candle. And this is happening on the 30-minute time frame. Does everyone understand this? Just say yes. And then I know I can move on. Okay? Stick with me. If you don't like it, you can throw it in a bin. You don't have to use it. But this is something that I've picked up and I'm still back testing and then forward testing with you guys. I'm going to forward test it with you guys on live stream and show you guys this is how someone comes up with a strategy live. So I did it on the weekend and I was just going through the market. Please repeat one more. I'll go for it. No problem, bro. So let's do this again. So let's say you want to trade 3:30. This is 3:30, right? This year, 3:30. I want to trade 3:30. Okay? So what I will do is before this candle opens, when this candle closes, the 3 o'clock one, I will then box it off, the high and the low. Or if I want to trade the 4 o'clock candle, I will box off the 3:30 candle. And this all happens on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, I'm sure now you understand that right now, right? And remember, this is also recorded, guys. This is reposted. You guys can save this live stream to rewatch it over and over. So this can be an entire course for you guys, right? I promise you guys. And you're gonna see me use this on a daily basis. Besides my range trade, my range strategy. Okay, so let's go. Let's do this. There we go. I'm boxing this off with a different color. I'm going to do this one in gray, like that, right? Okay. And then the next step, write this down. The next step is once you've boxed off the 30-minute time frame candle, whatever one you want to trade, right? You go into the 5-minute time frame. And then on a 5-minute time frame, what I've looked at, and remember, this is not something that ad text, bro. You can just rewatch this, man. You're making it hard for me. I'm gonna be honest, bro. You're making it hard for me, bro. I type in it and then I still want to get a trade. It's gonna take a lot of time, bro. You can just rewatch it. Like, I'm being very honest. Like, I would do it, but like, yo, bro.
Tranquilo, Gustavo.
It's a lot of work, bro. Tranquilo, Gustavo. And then, so once I've boxed it out, this is gold, yes. Now I'm on a 5-minute time frame. Please continue, we understand. Thank you. So once the candle breaks out, closes outside the range. Remember, you need to see a candle close outside this box. So here, this candle here is the one that closes outside the range. Outside, not even the range, outside this box, below that 30-minute time frame. This is the candle over here. Do you understand? Right? Now, once there's a candle close outside the range, you look for the first candle that goes against, which is the opposite of the 30-minute time frame. Like the 30-minute time frame was bearish, so we're looking for a bullish candle here. On the 5-minute, the first one, which is that one there, which is this one here. Okay, the very first opposite candle to the 30-minute time frame one, which is this one, right? Now in your mind, you're looking for a sell. Keep in mind, you're looking for a sell. So market breaks up. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna wait on the 1-minute time frame now. The 1-minute time frame, guys. Focus. Just the 1 minute. This is when you get entry right now. The 1-minute time frame. So this is on the 1550.
Poison.
There we go. On the 50-minute time frame. The first candle that breaks out is your entry and closes out. So this candle over here is when you're going to enter. So as soon as the candle closes, you enter a short position. Where do you put your stop loss? Let's change this to blue. Like that blue, right? Where do you put your stop loss? Right in the middle of this one. Now you have a very tight stop loss, right? And all you're going to do is you take this range here, this 30-minute time frame, and you're going to put it once, that's your first, and 2 for the second one. So there we have a high probability trade with a 1:3. Okay, and there you go. That's a trade. Now, what do you do after that? You put on your moving average, your EMA 30-minute time, 30-minute. This one here. I mean, on the 1 minute. So EMA 20 length, like this. Okay, EMA indicator. This is not for taking trades. This is going to be for holding onto a trade. So you see, you can hold a trade all the way down. You see how the reward increases. So as the market breaks it over there, that is where you can take a, see the market went all the way down for 1:4, right? But the market breaks above over here. So that is a point in time you would close a trade for 1:3. Do you see what I'm saying, traders? This is basically one of the methodologies I just built over the weekend. And I promise you, I'm copywriting this. No one have ever seen this before. No one.
Okay, to get the full version.
No, I don't sell any service. Make it 200k for the full one-on-one mentorship. How about that? Huh? What? No,
I'll take 50%.
You take for 100k, no problem.
Moral support, bro.
Oh, man, damn.
Sit next to you while you're teaching him and giving you shitty comments.
Yeah, 100. So give 50%. Yeah. Okay. Shout out, guys. Reach out to Alex. I'm joking. It's a joke. Don't take it serious, guys. It's just a joke. Okay. But this is basically. What do you guys think about it? Share me your thoughts. Oh my word. No ways, bro. Nah, I'm gonna use a strategy in New York. Let's try it out. So how about we try it out for right now? Do you see what I'm saying? There we go. So what we're gonna do is, you see, markers impulsing down, bam, bam, bam. So the very first candle, which is even on the 30-minute time frame, the very first candle, which is opposite, you can just take that one there, like that. But it's gonna be a very long time. So I will just do is take the most recent one there, right? The recent one over here. And if you wanted to look for a buy, what should happen is basically you want to see a big bullish candle. But this is not a big bullish candle, but let's go for it. Okay, so there we go. We're looking for the buy. If there's gonna be a buy over here, like that, go to the 5-minute time frame. Okay, now you can look for the 5-minute candle. The first bearish one, it breaks out, which is this one over here. That's the first one that broke out, right? This one here, guys, you can see that the first one. Well, I'm gonna change the color for black. Now on the 1 minute, the first candle that breaks out, then I'm buying. It closes outside, stop loss will be right over here, guys, and then I'll go for a full take profit of, you see how easy was that? Come on, guys. That's so easy, right? This should be more or less what the take profit should look like. All the way to there. And that's a full take profit. 1:6, basically. How's it, people? We're blessed. Can't complain. So wait for candle to close outside for a buy. It's easy. I know, bro. That's what I'm trying to share with you guys. You see, I'm telling you guys.
The full version is still 200k, bro.
Alex says, but the full version is still 200k. Yeah, but we can give you 50% off for 100k. Oh my gosh, you guys.
Also payment link.
Yeah, we have an also payment link. Oh my gosh, guys, we're just kidding with you guys. You're pulling. Do you place a limit order or you wait for candle to close? Wait for candle to close. Let's wait for candle to close. So this is my trade, guys. I'm looking for market to continue for a buy. Again, remember, it's waiting for candle to close outside. Once the candle closes outside, that is when I can take a trade for a buy. I'm looking to buy gold. No. This one I'm gonna risk to like 1% on this trade. Yeah, I'm gonna do proper trade. Lol, I'm in after the trade gives me 200k. This is absolutely amazing. Very open, honest. Never seen anything like it before. Thanks, brother. I appreciate it, bro. This is, again, guys, what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna be using my prop firm account on this one specifically, guys, and I'm gonna be risking. This is more for prop firm, guys. Shaq does this strategy only work for gold, or I haven't, guys. Honestly, this is gonna be my first time like using it with you guys. Like, I'm telling you guys, I made it up on the weekend. So don't just blindly use it. Wait for me on the stream every day to see how I use it every single day, guys. And then basically over time, we can see how profitable it is. It looks good on backtesting, but remember, live condition is different. So I want to see how does this work on live condition. So I'm going to say, don't just blindly use it. You know what I mean? SL is going to be right over here. It's about 18 pips. Yeah, you can see. You see, and the nice thing about it, if it's not going to buy, it's not going to buy. It will go like this. Then it'll just go down. Do you see? Then it won't be buying, and if it does buy, it'll buy a bit and then fake out to the downside. But then what I'll do is when it reaches like 1:1, I'll put a stop loss and break even. So I'm still learning to use this. The brother have the tools for freedom bliss scene.
I got the new private.
I like this guy. Wait, the brother have the tools.
The brother have the tools for your freedom bliss.
Oh, you're reading it.
Yeah.
What is this? Is gold on 1 more time frame.
For your freedom bliss up scene. Yeah.
I like this guy, bro. Andrew, you're the man, the brother, the blessing, the everything. You are the best one, bro. Oh my gosh. Yes, sir. So waiting right now, traders, and that's how we do it. Let's see how it's gonna happen. Let's see.
Do I take it with you?
Give this
or
USD.
do I just follow my own analysis?
Who's this? What trade is this? Did you ask? Oh, you asking?
I'm saying, do I take it with you or do I wait for my NAS?
I mean, it's totally up to you, right? You can either watch.
No, but I want to win today.
Well, I'm not a financial advisor, bro. It's your choice.
No, you financial advising me. You made me deposit. You held the gun to my face. Say, deposit, lose your money.
No, I didn't do that.
Imagine.
That's bad.
Imagine.
I won't do that.
Deposit money in your account. You're gonna blow with me.
Yo, that's bad, bro. This is gold, guys. Again, patiently waiting, and I will wait for this, bro. It's gonna. I didn't say I'm gonna take a buy yet. I didn't say it. I must close outside, and then I look for the buy. And if it can just break all the way down, then it's fine. Then I'll just go with whatever it's showing there. You know what I mean? So it's again, it's me testing, trialing on live stream with you guys. You don't have to. I've seen you posting that you're going live, but it's the first time ever I've joined your live stream. I'm so glad that I joined Real Skills at Play. Yo, this guy, thank you so much, bro. Okay, guys. So let's look at another one. In the meantime, just watch this for me. Someone can watch the gold one for me, right? I'm a financial advisor and I'm doing this lol. Someone says that on the stream right now. Like the stream, guys. Okay, I'll like it for you, bro. Let's look at another market, guys. In the meantime, let's see. I don't know if it works on other markets, but I'm gonna try it on NAS and US30. Let's see. I really don't know, guys. I really don't know, guys. I'm gonna try and see if it does, but I really don't know. Okay, so let's see. Again, you can judge me. You can tell me, yo, bro, you can't build methodology, you can't build strategies. It's fine. Just be honest with me and give me the feedback. If you're watching it every day, please give me feedback. Here's 1 year. So this was gonna be like that, right? So you're gonna put that over there. And then there's on a 30-minute time frame, US30. 30-minute time frame, US30, right? Then I go to 5-minute time frame. The first candle breaks out, which is the bearish one, which is gonna be this one over here. Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful entry. This was a beautiful entry. Oh my gosh, this was a beautiful buy entry. Guys, you see it in action? That's the first candle in the 15. Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful entry. Oh my gosh, this was gonna be a beautiful entry. Then right over here, the first candle, which is this one right here. Because remember, these are all wicks. This is the first candle that breaks out. Check there. There you go. So you can see this candle. So break this candle over here. You can even look at that. Let's even do it here. Even if you want to, you can look at it as breaks here, but I'm gonna say right over here. Let's just say this right here, right? Nice candle closure up, or even that one there. You can even say if you want to, you put a stop loss. You can take that one then top and put a stop loss there. Let's say that's your entry, but I would say this year should have been entry, maybe tapped out again, and then that's you're gonna track it down, right? But over here you get in right over here, and now you're gonna go for first 1:1 will be over here. Right, you can even see, and then go for 1:2 right over there, and 1:3 over there, guys. Do you see? This is US30, guys. Let's go back to gold to see what's happening in gold, guys. There's nothing yet, no entry on gold as of yet, guys. Beautiful stuff. Go back to the 30-minute time frame, guys. Where's my drawings? Huh? Bro, where's my gold drawings? Nah, bro. Wait. Huh? This doesn't make sense. Wonder? Huh? It broke out of gold. No, it didn't. Yeah, it broke to the downside. Bro, I need to redo the analysis. Check it. Can you check USD CHF? I'll check that out shortly as well. Oh my gosh. This thing deleted. Did I delete my own drawings? I don't know. That's a 30-minute time frame. Now I'm going into 5-minute time frame on gold right now, guys. 5-minute time frame now on gold. There we go. You see the first candle broke out, which is this one right here, bearish. You can see now I'm looking for bullish momentum from there. Go on the 1-minute time frame. There's no candle broke out yet from the top. So you see. Nothing as of yet, no entry. You see how you can you can avoid a stop loss with this methodology of trading. This is how you avoid a stop loss. It's very nice. That's what I like. It's mechanical. Let's go back to US30. Here you go. So US30 again, guys, looking at it back. You see back the entry. This is a point in time. Actually, I want to try it out, guys. I want to try it out. I really want to try it out to see what will happen with US30. Again, I don't know if it tried. It wasn't meant for you. It wasn't meant for US30, guys. It wasn't meant. It was mainly for gold. But I'm going to try it out to see what is happening. Let's see how it actually reacts towards it. Okay, so that's the main thing. Not bad. I mean, I'm entering. I'm only $20 up. Not bad. Come on, traders. Well done. Look at that. W's in the chat, bro. Wow. W's in the chat. That thing just. Well, let's see if it's in a hole. The main thing is to see it's actually if this thing's in a hole. W's in the chat, bro. I'm up $14 right now. That's a nice double bottom. confluence with your strategy. Amazing stuff. Let's see if it actually holds. I'm gonna try to see. I think you didn't lock it. Lock it. Oh, the stuff. Let's see. So I will enter. Let's see here. When I want to try, I don't want to over this. Remember, this is me. No, this is me.
Every time Shaquille enters a position, his phone starts going.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go. That's my entry now. Now I'm going for I'm doing $100, right? It's $100 risk on this thing. Again, this is me testing live on the stream, guys. It cannot work. It can work. You can don't judge at the first time. We're testing it for US30, and one time test can't be determined just off one trade. So let's see if it's gonna work fully. Wow. Nah, in drawdown. Okay, let's see. It's holding still. Definitely look like a stop on this one. Not yet. Yep, a stop loss on this one. Okay, so that's a stop loss on that one. So first trade with this with a strategy, I'm gonna journal it down. It's a stop loss on this. I did lose about. Let's say, just watch me. Don't yet take anything. Just watch it with me. Okay. So I would say that is a stop loss. So gold. USD first trade with this one is a stop. Nothing yet on gold. Let's go back to the 30-minute time frame. The 30-minute time frame has 3 minutes to change. Then I'm gonna box this off to the new one, which is over here, guys. Do you see? And then I'm looking for a sell momentum. Do you guys see that? How I'm adjusting to the current price right now. So this is something I know I'm gonna have to track as time goes on. And it's not going to be nice and beautiful, everyone, right? The go analysis was right, but it was a sell setup. 100% yes. So we're going to look for the sell one right now. So remember, here's the box. It's 3 minutes left on the 30-minute time frame. So I'm just adjusting myself. This one over here, US30, no. The US30 one, no, it's still rejecting over there. I'm going to have to get into this still. I don't know. I didn't make it for US30. It's just an entry that I just got in quick, right? It wasn't made for US30. I'm more made it for gold. So I studied it with gold. That's the main thing, you see. So still holding nothing yet. Bearish, bullish right now. This is live. Oh, it's been done. So nothing much yet as of yet. Still massive. Wick on top. Small body bullish. Let's see if the market actually breaks down. So you wait for the 30-minute previous candle range to be broken. Yes. So basically, like now, this is live chart, right? I'm gonna update it. I'm not gonna wait for this one anymore, right? I'm not gonna wait for this one anymore. I'm gonna go to the most recent one right now because I want to trade basically according to the direction of the next one. So here it's supposed to be a big bullish candle. It's not. So it's small, basically. But I can trade it also to the downside, guys. You can trade to the downside like this. I'm still learning how to fully use it. Understand it? I'm just building this. I just built it recently. So I'm still learning. I'm just picking up. It looks good on backtest. But on live chart, is it going to work? That's the main thing. Let's look at this one. Look at that. Massive weak test and backup. Wow. Okay, so that means maybe this stop losses needs to be at the bottom, right? I'm gonna say, let me try again and see how does this actually prevail itself. I'm gonna do a one lot on this one, and I entered on US30 right now with my stop loss a bit downer. So I'm gonna do it like this, and then two lots actually. Then I'm risking $100. This is something I'm willing to do, guys. I've entered a buy on US30 just to test it out the game. I want to see exactly how does this actually work. If US30 has to be all the way down over here or here, so I can see what is a safer entry. There we go. So I'm in for the buys on US30 all over again. We're in for the buys, just about round entry. Let's see. Beautiful wick at the bottom. This could be a beautiful week just to retest and then continue. But keep in mind, it's a massive week, so want to watch out for these. It's all. Let me make this background that red. Make it red. That there. You can see massive rejection into that same area all over. Bam. And let's see if it actually holds us. Again, this is all testing. I'm testing this on my prop firm, guys. I'm not testing this with my. I'm taking small risk because it's on my $50,000 account. So I can lose. It's only me, guys, or people who won are not sorted yet. They should have been sorted. Like I check. I still haven't received my 5K. No, they should be sorted. If not, then just DM Commit Capital as well. I'm in with you. And back to because your study looks massive. Thank you so much. Just go very, very low risk. Don't go for extreme, bro. This is not guaranteed. We're testing. This is how I test a strategy live. You see, because I can back test it and I can look and test it here. And people don't want to lose money because that's why you guys get pay. Do you understand why people pay people for the strategies? Because they put money behind the strategy. They test the strategy out on live market, and they lose money until they make money, until they correct it and it becomes perfect, and then they sell the strategy. That is what happens, guys. So you see, this is me paying school fees trying to learn how to actually use, how to trade this methodology on US30. So it's still something I'm learning. Gold, let's check gold, 30-minute time frame. Oh, big bullish candle, beautiful. There we go. Nice, beautiful bullish candle. I mean, honestly, this one here still playing out. I mean, it's still, we can use this one right here. Big bullish candle. Let's see if I can get the buys on this one. Beautiful stuff. Do you see? Let's see. It's all about testing it out and seeing what does this actually prevail for me. 5-minute time frame. There we go. So there's no breakout candle as of yet. Remember, on the 5-minute time frame, guys, this is on US 30. I mean on gold right now. What I'm waiting for, guys, is that on the gold, I'm looking for a candle to close outside bullish here. So a 5-minute candle to close outside bullish. That's what I would love to see. Do you guys get me? In the first, on the 1-minute, sorry. On the 5-minute, I'm looking for the first candle that breaks out of here, opposite direction. Okay. So after the 30-minute, US 30. Let's see, guys. US 30. I think US 30, I'm not going to be doing much on US 30 for this. I will just say scratch US 30 out for now. I don't want to try. I think I'm just forcing the US 31. I literally am forcing it. I forced it. I think I'm forcing this one just to see if it's going to work. Because someone asked me to if it works. It wasn't meant for this. No. I'm not going to try it. That's why let's leave the US 31. I'm not going to focus on US 31. Don't use a strategy on US 30. I'm not going to use it on here. I'm going to use it on gold. Okay. So let's leave the US 31. Don't focus on, just use it on one pair, which will be only gold for now. Until I can find a proper formula, because I didn't study it the weekend on NASDAQ. I mean on US 30. Only on gold. So I'm more confident on this one. Okay, so what I'm looking for is, so after 30-minute candle range, how do you frame an entry? Okay, perfect. So after 30-minute candle range, what I'm looking for is a opposite candle breaking out. So it can be a bullish candle first, right? It can be a bullish candle first, right? Of course, it'll be a bullish candle to break out. And then the next, I'm looking for any candle after that. Any candle after that, it comes afterwards, but it must be a opposite candle. So basically, I'm buying, so a bearish candle, right? So let's say the next candle comes in, boom, bearish. Do you understand what I'm saying? That candle over there, I'm boxing off, right? And then go to the 1-minute time frame. I'm looking for the 1-minute candle to close outside it, and then that confirms me that this break retest is confirmed. Do you see? Because what can happen is a wick can come in on the 30-minute time frame and then comes up. Once the market breaks up, it's supposed to continue going up. You see, that creates a wick. That candle here, that bearish candle on the 5-minute is usually the wicks on the 30-minute time frame. You see, so that's how I put it into. It's basically, in a nutshell, the bullish candle, the market pushing up on the 30-minute, then creates a low with the bearish candle on the 5-minute. push. Then in 1 minute starts kicking back up. It means the market's continuing up. Now it's creating new highs in the 30-minute time frame. I'm looking to catch that momentum. So if I could draw it out for you guys, it's a lot, but it's basically a 30-minute time frame candle. This 5 minutes, 1 minute candles is the 30-minute time frame candle, the full candle of a 30-minute. Do you understand? So let's do this. Check here. That's the size of the 30th. I'm trying to catch another 30-minute time frame candle. Doesn't make sense. There we go. That's one of it. Yeah. So it's a bit, but trust me, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna try this the entire day to see how do I get this. And also I can mainly focus on. This is the upper 10 one. I'm looking for a continuation for the buy. So I'm looking for market to continue buying. So where do I see market to continue buying? I'm looking for market to buy from first target will be over here, guys. That's our first one. My second one will be over there. That's my second one. But of course, I'll go for the full target, guys. Do you see what I'm saying? Does it make sense to everyone? Traders, does that make sense to everyone? Does everyone understand what I'm sharing with you? Again, use this only on gold for now, guys. Don't try to use it on all the markets, please. I'm asking you guys nicely. As you can see already, I tried with USD without testing it. It's not really doing the most. It's I would say, I don't know yet. I must still test it out. Okay, so until I find a way to trade the USD one or the Nasdaq one, it does not make sense. Okay, then you haven't joined from the start, bro. It's fine. You should watch for the stream from the start, basically. Okay. Basically, I'm catching the wicks of a 30-minute time frame. If that makes sense to you now, I'm catching the wick of a 30-minute time frame. Yeah, that should make sense. That's very clear. So I'm finding a methodology to catch a wick of a 30-minute time frame and to continue the momentum of it. And if it's a sell, to catch the wick from the top to continue going down. Because remember, what happens with the 30-minute, you see sell, continue, sell, continue. You see, so I'm trying to continue that momentum. Like, yeah, check here. There was a box, right? That was this one here. Okay. 5-minute time frame. Look for the first candle to the outside. The first candle outside, which is this one here. What you do is you box that one off. Do you see that there? That's the sell one. Okay, then you go to the 1 minute time frame. The first candle that breaks out of that 1 minute time of that box, the first candle that broke out of the box, you enter in a sell, which is right over here, and then you sell that off like this. Do you see? Where do you put a stop loss? In the middle of the box. That's what you do. So you put the box, you change the box to a different color. There you go, and that's where I'm putting a stop loss, guys. Do you understand? There you go, and then I take it for a full trade. Look at that. Look at it. Does it make sense now? Do you see? Does it make sense now? That is what I'm doing here on this side. But it takes patience. It's patience, just waiting for it. So I could catch that one, or I could catch the next one. So I could say, no, I don't want that one. So I want to catch the next ones. I want to catch this one in here. You see? I could have catch this one here from here. I mean, this candle, this one. So I take this box over here, range, complete that range over there. Now I look for the, why is your previous supply area so close to the wick of the previous extreme supply area? I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know. There we go. That's the wick over here. I'm looking for this one. That's it. So I box that one off 30. Now move on to the 5 minute. Right. Now see the first candle breaks out. Okay, there we go. There's the first candle breaks out. Right. The first opposite candle, which is this one right here. You see? And then there is on 1 minute, that's my entries. On what basis is the stop loss in the middle of all times? At all times, put it in the middle. At all times, 50% the equilibrium area. At all times, just put it there at all times. So in the middle of the 5 minute one or the 1 minute one, but me, I'm using the 1 minute one. Okay, either or, 5 minute or 1 minute, doesn't really matter, guys. So it's all dependent on how much you want to risk. Me, I'm gonna use the 1 minute one. Okay, the 1 minute one. Yeah, guys, it's all about patience now. Patience, and I'm gonna wait. And of course, this will be updated every 30-minute time. So now, what I will do is I can check every 5 minutes. Does it make sense? So you put an alarm on, so you don't have to stay at the chart. So every 5 minutes, you're gonna look for a trade. Do you see? Every 5 minutes, you're gonna come here because maybe we want the market to break out. So every 5 minutes, there's 5 minutes left. So for the next 5 minutes, I can chill. So now it's time based, because now I can have time for 5 minutes. I can relax, do what I need to do, come back. Oh, I put an alarm on for 5 minutes. Now I come back. I say, oh, it's not yet out. Put another 5 minutes on. Chill. Do. Boom. Alarm goes off 5 minutes. Okay, come back. Did it break out? Close outside. Oh, it closed outside. Okay, perfect. Now come. You see? Now I'm active. That's how I do it. So it's all about time based. I just want to have time based methodologies and stuff that can help me make better decisions. There we go. Come on. This is 4 minutes left. So we have 4 minutes for this candle to close. Let's see if this candle can close outside. And then we're looking for a box off on that one. And then 1 minute, we're looking for 1 minute to close outside. Amazing. Then going for the buys. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about. Don't you think that the equilibrium area where you put your stop loss, that's where price tends to pull back to? It can, if it wants to, honestly. But from my analysis point, it shows me that from the backtesting point so far, God, fuck, boss is crazy, bro. They're asking me because they're right. They want to manage the risk. So honestly speaking, from my backtesting data, it showed that this middle is good area for me to put a stop loss, and I always put my stop loss in the middle, right? The live market condition will really determine the actual results will be determined by live market condition. So right now, I need a base point to determine how much I will and where will I put a stop loss and where will put a take profit, a base point, and this will always be then. If this works, then it will be liquor for an entry model. Yes, you see, exactly. So it's all about me getting live data right now, guys. I have nothing to prove for this yet. I'm not claiming to say this is a great strategy. I'm showing you guys the reality of someone or a mentor or someone you guys call mentors. How does one actually build a strategy, and now you guys in front of 200 people, I hope that you guys will vouch for me when someone ever steals this and say when it works, that you guys will vouch for me and you guys will say, nah, you know what, I was there with him when he built this. You get what I'm saying? We are risk managers, 100%. Episodes 100% correct. I personally don't use SL because it touches, then it goes in the direction I want it to. So what strategy that get you rich? What strategy what got me let's say, I'm not rich, by the way. Rich is, I don't know. I feel like I want to say I want to be wealthy, but I am wealthy in the mindset. But if you want to say what got me financial freedom, that's maybe the correct word, my G. Was definitely, I would say honestly, price action. There's no strategy. It was just price action. Support and resistance was the very first, and trend lines. Support and resistance with the trend line. Like if you can go back to my YouTube, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Go back to my YouTube now and watch these videos. I'm gonna show you my old YouTube videos. Okay, and then here you go. Are you guys with me? So here we go. This is my YouTube from many years ago. I mean, I used to post here. Last my post was 5 months ago. This is 5 months ago. You can see that 10 months ago, nobody will teach us here. So I used to post these every day. This one kind of strategy. Let me show you guys. Oldest was 5 years ago. Okay, this is 5 years ago. You can just watch how I grew. Basically, you'll watch. But everything I used in this point in time over here was trend lines. Look here. I used trend lines. That's the main thing I used. Trend lines. So trend lines, and yeah, made a lot of money as well. You know, like honestly speaking, this is where I mainly focus. Actually, I can watch this. Let's see how much can I
What's
watch
up,
on this
gang?
video.
It's
This
your
is
boy
very nice,
Shaquille
guys.
Sama here with the
This is some
gang,
good
gang, gang,
information.
gang. I don't know what I'm
Can
saying,
you
but
guys
I'm with
hear
the
this?
banger man in the house.
If I play this, can you guys hear it?
What's up, fam? It's your boy Shaquille Samaya. We're back in the house just with a video of a recap what happened on US 30, man. This is something insane. I called out for you guys on US 30.
Can you
And if you
guys hear
didn't see
this? Let
that
me know.
video, it's the video before this
Can
I
you guys
posted, the
hear what
previous
I'm
one I
saying
posted
in this
of
video?
what will happen on US 30. This is a recap of what
Look at gold.
actually
Look at
happened,
gold.
guys. And
Look
it
at
went
gold.
till the T to the market. And let's go
Yay!
to it
Well
and actually see what
done.
happened.
Well
Now, guys, as you can
done.
see,
Look
I
at
saw that there was a correction
gold.
pattern over here.
Gold is doing the
Right, and I expected that.
most.
Look, if you look at
Wow.
it this way, I
Okay.
did say in the
Now
video
we need
that
this in the
we
next
had
4
this
minutes,
touch and
guys. We
that
have 4
touch,
minutes
and
left. So
this
put
is
a so
possibly our
just put an
third
alarm
touch
on for this.
over here.
Let's put an alarm
I
on
told
for
you guys,
this, right?
rather
We
than
have
move
4
with the
minutes left,
market
guys.
and
4
have
minutes for this candle
like
to
basically
close. 4
evolve with
minutes for this
market
candle to
structure,
close, right?
it
4
will make
minutes
it
for this
much more
candle to close.
easier to get into the market, right? So I evolved the
Oh, your
structure and I saw that
ears.
okay,
Oh
not
my
what can
gosh.
possibly
No,
happen
no,
is
no,
that
no, no,
if
no, no,
market
no.
breaks
Shoot, shoot,
out and retest.
there we go. I'm so sorry, my G. So sorry, so sorry. But yeah, this is a video of mine. I'll go through it shortly now and I'll show you guys. Like, this is. I've always been high energy, nah? Always. Like, bro, like, pause the other video. I paused it. Sorry. If you watch 5 years ago, like, this is when I started posting my content. 5 years ago, I started posting content on YouTube. And I started posting 6 years ago, 7 years ago, six years ago on Instagram, on TikTok. And that time I had like 300,000, 200,000 followers on TikTok, 200,000 in total, or on IG, that is 400,000. I had different accounts as well, so definitely equal to 500,000 followers over all my accounts. Yeah, so I was pushing big time that time, like just push content as much to help people, and I always was about helping people. Guys, we have 3 minutes left. Beautiful. This looks beautiful. Come on, this looks beautiful. The methodology is lining up though. It's so far, even though there's no win yet, it's lining up, right? It is lining. Guys, drop a W in the chat. Just drop a W in the chat. Come on. It's so far lining up, right? So now it's all about getting the entry. So now it's about us boxing this off, right? In the next 2 minutes, boxing this off. So that's going to be I'm going to change this color to latte, right? I'm going to change that to something beautiful. There, let's do that. Let's do this one. Steps to success. Yeah. There we go. And that'll be basically beautiful. I'm so excited, bro, because I shouldn't be excited, but the fact that I'm teaching you guys step by step. I remember when you used to go live and take your laptop to the toilet with you, or phoning liquidity is crazy. Yes, sir. Money. Number one. Yeah. Bro, that's some crazy times, bro. Wow. It makes me just happy. Makes me appreciate everything, man. Just appreciate, like, yes, bro. You guys gave me purpose. Did you know that? You remember the Kick channel? Yo, bro. Even the Twitch one. Remember Twitch and Kick? I was streaming on Kick and Twitch, bro. Even on YouTube I streamed. Yeah, yo, brah. And remember, I used to stream every day on Zoom. Every day, Zoom. Do you remember Zoom? Every day, Zoom meeting. Always. That was nice, though. That was nice. Every day. Somewhere twice a day. One in the morning, then one at night. One random one. Hey, that was so nice and lovely. Okay, you know what? I won't lie. It was the community gave me purpose, bro. When I stopped having the community and I stopped posting, 1 minute left, guys. 1 minute left on this. When I stopped having the community, right? It's 15, so it's 20 past. Okay, 20 past. Okay, the next channel, yeah. So I'm gonna watch this one here, guys. Now, let's see, 5 minutes. Okay, we have 48 seconds left, guys. If a candle closes on the 1 minute to the upside, then I'm going in for a buy. I will look in for a buy, guys, and I'm gonna put my stop loss. Yeah, I'll put it right at the bottom. I'm gonna test it out and put my trade over here. Okay, 1 second, 27 seconds left, 25 seconds left, guys. This is my trade. Again, guys, you just can watch it, right? You guys can watch how I do this. Again, because this is the first time I'm taking a trade with this. I could be taking my first trade for a loss. I don't want to be. I'm not 100% yet on this on a strategy. I'm just trying to test it out. If you're comfortable, you're more than welcome. 1 second left, guys. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Okay, the next one will be right over here. How did I get this, guys? Again, one over there. We do that like that. Then I put that there actually, and I can make this the first one, second one, all the way till there. That's it. Take profits, guys. That's gonna be full take profits. Let's see, what am I dealing with? No break yet, guys. We need a candle to close outside this range, but it's gonna be a full 1 to 6 for now. We're gonna go over for there's a candle breaking out. So let's see, with 40 seconds left for this candle to break out. Are you in? No, I'm not yet in. I'll tell you guys when I'm in. This on gold, guys. So let's see, 30 seconds left. I'm gonna get in shortly, guys. I'm getting in shortly with a trade, guys. Shortly in. Be ready. I'll tell you guys when I'm in, guys. I'll tell you guys when I'm in. And I'm about to actually get in right now. If this candle to close out, and I'm in for a buy, traders. On stop loss will be right at the bottom. There we go. I'm in for a buy. Beautiful. There we go. I'm in for a buy, traders. Stop loss is right at the bottom over here. First day using of my strategy that I built over the weekend. Let's see if this actually will hold, prevail the methodology. First day of using my strategy. Let's go. First take profit will be right over here, and I'll take it all the way up to the top as well, God willing. Are we in? Yes, I am in. Still using your stats from then. Nice, man. Yo, Mansoor, bro. Yo, I'm seeing the blue. I just saw the blue. W's in the chat. I saw blue and I went back. Oh, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? God, don't be too happy too soon, man. Don't be happy too soon. Let's just trust the process. Trust the process, they say. Yes, sir. So, yeah. Trust the process. Let's see. 1 minute. Come on. Still in drawdown. I just joined. Can you explain your strategy again? My entry was you can rewatch the live stream, bro. Let's go. You're more than welcome to watch the live stream. I'm managing my trade right now. I'm gonna do a 1% risk today, guys. 1%. I'm doing 1% risk. So on my $50,000 account, which is gonna be $500, I'm risking. There we go. The account is in a bit of drawdown. My actual account, we're about $200 down. So this trade will, if it does go, it will push me up beautifully. And if it does go all the way up, as I expect, possibly, let's relax. Yes, let's trust. Wow. 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 I'm in drawdown. Okay. Oh, no, 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 no. Go back, 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 go back. There we go. In drawdown. It's still hunting. Yeah. Looks like it, but let's be patient. I'm just saying, again, this is test trial. It's test trial in my methodology. Test trialing. Test trialing. Over leverage hunting. No, but I risked about 1%. Just under 1%. Just under 1% for you. Just under 1%, guys. Not the full 1%. I'll show you guys as well. You guys see. Check out. Let me actually make it bigger for you guys, right? Just give me a second. I see there. So you can see when I enter and I click on my trades, how do you see? There you can see. That's there we go.
Rock with it.
189.
2,000 lots are going in.
There you guys see. So I'm risking just under 1% on this trade. Yeah.
2,000 lots, I'm going in. 5,000 lots, 10,000 lots, I'm increasing.
So right now I'm looking for market to go all the way at least to 4,341. I would like. I trust your strategy will work out, bro. I hope so. Like, again, it's day one. It's day one of trying to test it out. You know what I mean? So it's all about seeing actually, does this thing actually really work out? You get what I'm saying? That's the thing. Actually testing to see if it really works out, and with no over leveraging. Remember, this is me proper trading, no full margin, no thing like that, just using proper trading, what I was built for, what really made me good in profit trading. You know, it's just the 1% risk over a long period of time. And does you have a strategy name? No, it doesn't have a name. That's not the first thing I think about. That's not the first thing I ever think about when I build a strategy. It's just, let's see if I can make money with it. That's the first thing I think about. How do I get entry? My first thing is thinking of how do I get direction. My second thing I think about is what will determine my entry level, and what will determine my stop loss, and then what will determine my take profit. Those are the four things I always think about when I'm building a strategy, guys. Wow. 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 Come on, man. That's beautiful, really, chat. Woo. Wow. It just popped back up. Can we get a massive move right now? It looks like it was holding up. Beautiful. That was nice. The fact that it held onto this area beautifully makes me a bit like confident to say, okay, maybe can push up, maybe can. It just, that was beautiful. The fact that it could still hold onto this area right here. You know what I mean? I don't understand why is it over here. Why is it holding that area? I'm just like, okay, maybe it's a resistance. Maybe it's a support. I don't know. You know what I mean? I'm still learning a lot more about my strategy. Like, that's the crazy part. I'm not trying to be Mr. Know-it-all. I'm just trying to learn as well. You know what I mean? I'm a student of the market. That's one thing. I'm a student of the market. Can we get a massive push right now? I know with simple market structures that if market breaks above this areas here, this year, then I do know that, okay, can we call it Shackmack? What? The Shackmack? Yo, that sounds weird, man. Shackmack. The big Shackmack. Yeah, that sounds weird. Still holding, looks like a double top there right now. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, double top on top. Come on, baby. Let me the first trade be right, at least. So everyone can build some confidence. It's a break of a break. Yeah, it's a break of a break. Yeah, that's what we're gonna call it. The break. I use the break strategy. Call it the double breakout strategy. Yeah. The double break. Call it the shack attack. Call it the double break strategy. The shack attack strategy. Shack attack sounds cool, but like it is technically a double breakout. You see, it's like a double breakout to double confirm it. Yeah. So let's call it a double breakout. How about that? Do you guys agree with it? Double breakout strategy? Yeah. On live stream, we just built a strategy and we're taking a trade and we're up in profits with it. Beautiful. $60 up right now, guys. And I'm up 60. I'm up $100 right now. Full on transparency with you guys. Let's see. Let's see how does it go out eventually. Going up. Do we trust in the process? Yes. Beautiful, guys. We trust in the process. Trust the process. Let's see if it actually does continue holding this area. Sounds nice as well. Yeah, double breakout. But it's triple. 50, 31. 100%. It's technically 30. So let's make it a triple. There we go. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, bro. There we go. Oh my gosh, bro. Beautiful. $200 up. Amazing. Oh yeah. Do you guys believe in the strategy now? Guys, how more transparent is this? A strategy we built on live stream with you guys. And then like get the entry of it, even if it comes all the way back down. Like the thing is that there's a possibility of getting an entry with the strategy. And it's coming right back down. Oh my gosh. That's some craziness. That's some craziness. It came right back down. Don't give me a W yet. Don't give me a W yet. It came right back down, guys. It came right back down. Whoa, 30-minute breakout strategy. Let's see. This thing came right back down. Is it coming back for another entry? And don't enter again, guys. Use proper risk management. If you're taking trades like these, I would rather use a 1% risk on this. This thing came right back down. Look here. Right back down. Right back down. Full transparency with you guys. Hashtag full transparency. Let's see. Bro, I'm 11:30 still on the stream. I should be done shortly now. But okay, let's just hold this trade and see how it goes. I should be done now, guys. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Day one of using the first day one of building the strategy live on stream, and I'm in drawdown. Does this market turn around? Day one of building a strategy live on stream. I'm currently drawdown on gold right now for buys. Let's see if this actually works out. My clip that day. That's for the day one video transparency. You must clip that pop, bro. Clip that pop, my bro. Day one. Yeah, this is day one. This is the real day one. You see what I'm liking? I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is day one of using the site. So if this thing can show me flames, it'll be amazing. Ibonga, retrace the message. Okay. Yeah. 30-minute breakout strategy. I mean, I don't know at this point. It's a triple breakout. It's like 30-minute, 5-minute, and then 1 minute. So, triple break strategy. Okay, just broke below. Let's see. Oh no. Oh no. Day one, not looking good. We can track day one. Day one. Oh, it's still holding? Yo! It's still holding this area. Oh. Don't blame the strategy. Market is trapping. I mean, I don't like right now. We're still learning. Like you're still learning. It could be a tap go up. We don't know. Don't you think the price gets attracted to equilibrium point, bro? I mean, honestly, it can be, bro. Like, I'm just still learning, bro. Like, I'm still learning this. I'm learning this on stream live with you guys. So I'm trying to see. Maybe if I do put it here at the bottom, but I can't do that now because we're already in a trade, then my risk is not going to be the same. So my risk is going to change right now. So stops about to be. Oh, stop loss is about to be tapped. Yeah, there we go. My stop loss is tapped. My stop loss is tapped. So day one, I'm gonna say day one on gold, 1% down. Okay, we can track this down. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in a journal for you guys, so you guys can track all my trades with this thing on live stream. So we're gonna make a journal. Let's go to Notion. Or wait, I have a better one for you guys. Right, that was Marcus been lately. It's half a success, 100%. It's okay. It's almost there. We're still gonna work. You guys will get the full experience of this. So watch me do something quick now. I'm gonna share something quick, and I'm gonna see our journal down. So now you guys learn a journal and do all these good things together. Give me a second. I'm just gonna get out my journal quick. Then I'll show you guys how I'm gonna journal, how I'm gonna track the profitability of this thing. Okay. Where's my indicator? Where is this thing, bro? My journal. There we go. There we go. I think it should be this one. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna share it with you guys now because I'm thinking of the fib retracement dynamics. Yeah, I see what you're saying, but again, going back to 30-minute time frame, this could be a complete different one. You know, I mean, it could be just retesting here in an entry over here. It could be, I don't know. I'm gonna still learn. We're still gonna learn to see how this actually. I think stop should be in a bit under the equilibrium point. We're gonna see. So you think maybe like even I have to put it here, it doesn't stop it. Doesn't stop it. Anyway, do you see what I'm saying? It would have stopped it right here. Anyway, my just thought is if it does come all the way back down here, then it's like it's just gonna easy to push down here. You know what I mean? Then I just want to be out of the trade. But if market like this, then I'm not day trading anymore. Then I'm gonna swing trades for the next 2 hours, and I don't want to be in there. So I'm gonna show you guys now my PR USD strategy copy of. There we go. I'm gonna send you something. Gold is super, being super emo today, 100%. Here you guys can see. I'll copy this, add in. Share. Let's put this in. I'm gonna add in. I'm gonna show you guys how I journal this in. Right? Just give me a second. Comit. Okay, and then share. Comit. I don't think I'll be staying away from trading this week. Gold is behaving like my ex. Just stick with me, guys. I'm gonna show you something how I journal. Just stick with me quick. I just wanna show you something. Okay, there's it. Okay, perfect. So capital media at gmail.com. Send. Okay, I sent it through. Now what I'll do is go over here, then Gmails, and then okay, open, and there we go. You see? So now I have a journal, right? This is the journal I've built 2024 2024 I built this one. In 2024 I built this journal. So what I'm gonna do right now is for now just make it like this, right? We're gonna journal down this thing, right? So all this information we're gonna delete out. Let's delete all this out. Oh no, wait, go back. Yeah. There we go. And then I'm putting date. Today is Monday. The date for today is 23rd of March. This is gold. So I'll just put gold. It was the London session, right? London session. The system I used was what we're gonna call it. We're gonna call it break, right? So add in break, triple break, out, triple breakout. Make this read because it's still new. Add that to apply to all. Perfect. So now put in a triple breakout strategy, right? Max odd order I was trying to achieve. The full order I was trying to achieve was a 1:5. It was a 1:5, right? So we're gonna put it as 1:5. This was I was trying to achieve the 1:5. So 1:5. Then the position I was going for was a buy. The result was a loss, and percentage made -1% down. Okay, and then I can put it before and after all the emotions of one, but for now that's all I need. Okay, do you guys see that? That's how I just journaled my trade. Are you guys with me? So now you guys gonna track I think do this whenever it breaks for the full candle. Go for 5-minute continuation form in the 3-minute candle before it gets broken. Trust me, you'll be safe like that. I'm gonna try, bro. For now I'm gonna try it like this, but you guys understand how I journal right now. So now I have a full journal on this specific methodology. Okay, with that being said, guys, well done. But today was a loss for me again, guys, and this is using my strategy, my new strategy I'm trying to perfect, which is a triple breakout, which we created together. Let's see how actually is it belangrik to journal your trades? Yes, it's baie belangrik om jou trades te journal, omdat jy die data kan collect. Is baie belangrik om jou data te collect. Van hierdie data kan jy nou gebruik in the future, you know? In die future kan jy hierdie data gebruik om jou te beter trade te maak. Ja, hoor julle, né? So hierdie data, ons gebruik het en ons gaan dit gebruik vir die future. Nou kan ons verstaan, okay, elke maandag verloor ek. Toekoms, ja. Elke maandag ek verloor. Elke dinsdag verloor ek. Elke woensdag wen ek. En nou wen ek op die... Wow, where we going? Toekoms, ja. Ons gaan hierdie datum gebruik in die toekoms, hoor. Van hierdie data is baie belangrik vir ons. As ons nou hierdie thanks for your time. Is 'n plesier. Dankie vir almal baie dankie vir almal op die stream. Dankie. Môre, miskien môre nie. Maar ek gaan in die groep activists, right? I'm gonna be active in the group, guys. I'm gonna be active. You're mal Othi. What's Othi? Oh, outie. It's African early in the morning, lol. Hi guys, let's leave Africans at home now. Please, it's running away back to Cape Town. Let's leave it there. But honestly speaking, guys, I'm gonna track every day. Even if I'm not gonna be on a stream, alright, like tomorrow, right? Someone else is gonna stream, I think, tomorrow. But tomorrow morning, every day the same time, like I'm gonna drop a trade. Okay, every day the same time, every day. Okay, guys, every day in the free group, in the free group, guys, every day I'm gonna be sharing my trade, my word to you guys. I promise, using the strategy. Again, I'm gonna share the analysis and then give out the trade. With that being said, guys, thank you for joining. Full transparency. Let's make this a great methodology together, live on stream. Like now, if this thing changes, I'm gonna go with this methodology right here. You see? There we go. Okay, guys. Peace, love, happiness, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers, traders. Much love.